La 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 la. Time to take out the recyclables. Wow, wow, wow. What the Mike? What the fudge? What's the hopping? Mike. Whoa, what's wrong? Talk to me, talk to me.
What happened?
I don't know, you tell me.
Oh, wait a second.
Just a sec.
Well,
I forgot my watch.
Well, I got this new jerky that I just infused with our Jerky Marinade.
Our Jerky Marinade.
That's right.
Yeah.
You want to take a guess?
No.
Well, don't. It's kangaroo.
Of course! Kangaroo jerky, of course, Mike!
You gotta try some of
Oh,
this.
I shall. Let me try some of this. Yeah. Mmm, delish.
Pretty good.
Very good. Jerky Marinade, kangaroo jerky, but nothing. Whoa! What the?
Jerky Marinade. Oh, so tasty for your chicken, beef, pork, fish, and yes, your homemade jerky. Made with love and chock full of premium ingredients, it's Jerky Marinade. Find us on Amazon. Until next time, remember to jerk it every chance you get. See ya next time.